Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI tools in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Ask Studio icon in the top right corner of the dashboard to open the AI Assistant panel on the right side of your screen. Type your question into the Ask Something input field. For this example, I'm asking it to suggest a better title. Press Enter to submit your request, and the assistant displays several status messages while it processes your question. After a few seconds, the assistant provides its response with a suggested title based on your content. If Ask Studio isn't visible in your top navigation bar, check that your channel is part of the rollout. The feature is being released gradually across different regions and account types. You can ask the assistant multiple questions in the same session, and each response stays in the panel until you clear it or close the sidebar. The suggested titles are based on your existing content and metadata, so the more context your videos have, the better the recommendations. And that's how to use AI tools in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.